Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Code Nemesis. In today's video, we'll be understanding WebSockets in Python. Let's get started. In today's digital world, real-time communication has become an essential aspect of many applications. Whether it's chat applications, online gaming, or live data updates, WebSocket has emerged as a powerful technology to enable bidirectional, low-latency communication between clients and servers. In this article, we'll explore WebSocket in Python and demonstrate its usage with code examples. What is WebSocket? WebSocket is a communication protocol that provides full-duplex bidirectional communication channels over a single TCP connection. Unlike HTTP, which follows the request-response model, WebSocket allows the server to send data to the client and vice versa without the need for the client to continuously request updates. This makes WebSocket ideal for real-time applications where the data flow between the client and server in both directions. WebSocket in Python. To use WebSocket in Python, we can use the popular library called WebSockets. You can install it using pip. Now, let's dive into some code samples to see how to use WebSocket in Python. First, let's create a WebSocket server using Python. In this example, we'll create a simple server that echoes messages back to the client. So import async IO, import WebSockets, async def echo WebSocket path, async for message in WebSocket, await WebSocket.send message. So when you do WebSockets.serve and you pass in this method echo and localhost 8765, we create a WebSocket server. So we import the necessary libraries here. Async IO and WebSockets. We define an async function echo that takes a WebSocket connection and a path as parameters. This function simply listens for incoming messages and echoes them back to the client. We create a WebSocket server using WebSockets.server, specifying the IP address and the port to listen on. Finally, we use async IO to run the server indefinitely. Client-side WebSocket in Python. Now let's create a WebSocket client in Python to connect our server and send and receive messages. So we define an async function main where we establish the connection to the WebSocket server using WebSockets.connect, which is on this line right after the main. We send a message to the server using await WebSocket.send. We send a message and then we wait for a response from the server and then print it. Running the WebSocket server and client. To run the WebSocket server, execute the server-side code in one terminal, then in another terminal, execute the client-side code. You should see the client sending a message to the server, which echoes it back, and the client prints the message. WebSocket is a powerful protocol for enabling real-time communication between clients and servers. You can use WebSocket to build a wide range of applications from chat applications to live dashboards. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to Python Code Nemesis on YouTube and feel free to leave comments or suggestions in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next one.